Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Thursday, March 20th. Quickly looking at the weather threat matrix, we do have quite a bit of snow in the area for Friday, Saturday, and into the Sunday, and to a lower extent into Monday. Then we're going to see some warming occurring on Tuesday, Wednesday, causing an increase in snow melt, which will cause some river rises. Quickly looking at the radar loop, forecasted radar loop for the next 72 hours, so into Saturday morning time frame. They'll depict a few different shower coming through the area, some pulses of energy. They'll intensify the shower activity, so pretty much fairly steady snow across northwest Montana and the mountain passes. But again, just some periods. The one area that we're really kind of keeping an eye out for is that Friday night into Saturday morning. Appears to be kind of the strongest disturbance that's coming through that could probably bring the most impactful snow, especially with snow accumulating on the roadways during the nighttime hours. So we do actually have some winter weather highlights for the mountain passes or higher elevations due to that disturbance, but kind of just running through this loop to kind of indicate what the radar could potentially look like now until Saturday morning time frame. With that, we are looking at some snow, especially in the higher terrain. So here's some 6-hour breakdown of snowfall ranges at select points throughout the Northern Rockies. And again, Lolo, Lookout, and Lost Trail will probably be kind of the winners, along with Marias Pass. Looking at anywhere from 18 to 24 inches total, like I said, Thursday through the Saturday time frame. That Marias Pass probably could be a little bit higher, also probably maybe potentially hitting that 24-inch mark at Marias Pass. So kind of just a kind of look through there, and then more in a graphical term. So the low end, 72 hours, this is snowfall totals from 6 a.m. Thursday to 6 a.m. Sunday. So the kind of the 25th percentile or the lower end range of snowfall throughout the period. Again, still looking at anywhere from 6 to 24 inches in a few spots, but really 6 to 12 inches at the passes. But on the higher end, so kind of the top end of the snow amounts, the 75th percentile, definitely looking at the potential of 18 to 24 inches at several of our mountain passes. So again, just kind of a graphical look to kind of encompass those areas. And again, maybe the valleys of the Northern Rockies could pick up an inch or two of snow, and again, the best chance for that's going to be that Friday night into Saturday morning time frame. We are looking at some gusty winds out of the west-southwest throughout the periods. The bulk of the winds will be during the afternoon and evening hours, with the strongest winds being along the Continental Divide, but pretty widespread breezy conditions out there. And then things will start calming down by Sunday into Monday time frame. Looking at temperatures throughout the period, still staying relatively cool for this time of year, near to slightly below normal temperatures through the weekend. And then we actually have a ridge of high pressure that's going to be building in, causing our temperatures to warm, with Orofino potentially getting into the 70s by the Wednesday time frame. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, again, that 6 to 10 days really showing that ridge of high pressure that's going to be coming over the top of us. We'll see plenty of warming, but in the next slide I'll show the precipitation. And then kind of that 8 to 14 day, the ridge starts to break down, and the indication of above normal temperatures isn't as great. But even though we're going to have that ridge, we are still anticipating some moisture potentially coming over the top of it, especially Sunday into Monday. And then again, we're looking at some precipitation moving in on that Thursday. And the 8 to 14 days really showing that we're kind of getting that southwest flow where temperatures should stay near to slightly above normal, but yet plenty of moisture should be making its way in. Our next briefing is scheduled for Sunday, March 23rd, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the on the number on the screen. Thank you. Goodbye.